Ramona's debut session today said Neriswa's disqualification was justice, and because she feels justice always win. In her session, she said most of the times she had Thandeka saying Neriswa has gotten away with her role in hiding the wig because she has been part of that cartel, and she feels the more people are leaving, the more she gets closer to fulfilling her purpose. She also said King Wanda as HOH is relaxing with his role and he would be putting his best foot forward. She feels he is a dictator. And finally, her top 5 list was herself, Melly, Ilano, Tumi, and Q. So what do you think about this session of Ramona? Share your comments. See you in the next video and stay safe.